If you manufacture distribution boards, this video is for you. BIS has officially released a detailed guideline for distribution boards, also known as DBO, that are intended to be operated by ordinary persons. Today, we break down the entire technical guideline, from the required standards and documents, to what exactly must be included in your technical file, how to handle model grouping, and how BIS will verify your safety features. Welcome to MindSync. We provide compliance consulting, legal, and advisory services. Let's start by understanding what a DBO. These are distribution boards designed for operation by ordinary persons, people who are not trained electricians. This category falls under Indian Standard 61439 Part 3, and the certification will follow Scheme X under the Machinery and Electrical Equipment Safety, Omnibus Technical Regulations, Order, 2024. Next, let's understand the technical file part. The technical file is the core compliance document that BIS examines to verify your distribution boards against Indian Standard 61439 Part 3. It must be prepared model-wise or family-wise, and it needs to include the following: a cover information, title page with product name, for example low voltage switchgear and control gear assembly distribution board type A or B. Manufacturer details, name, address, contact, model numbers and family grouping, and lead model declaration. Next, list of applicable standards, into type A, B, and C. Also have a cross-reference table showing which clauses apply to your design. Next, a risk assessment report, by identifying hazards like mechanical, such as sharp edges, loose covers; electrical, such as shock, arcing, live contacts; and others are related to thermal, ingress, ergonomic. Also use risk matrix and state mitigation hierarchy. Safety by design, protective measures, covers, interlocks, warning signs and manuals. And then there are other major aspects of technical file, which need to be filled accordingly. Mail us to get a detailed report on all the aspects of the technical file. If you make several models, you don't need to file each one separately. BIS allows grouping. Select a lead model, most complex or highest risk. Provide a list of family models. Ensure hazards are similar across all. Risk assessment and design of lead model should cover the whole group. You must submit grouping chart, justification, declaration of all model codes. Any new model added later must go through change of scope with updated documents. A key part of the file is risk assessment. BIS expects you to analyze and score types of hazards, like the following. The methods are: use risk matrix or numerical scoring. Assess severity, multiply by the probability. Explain how you've mitigated the risks. By design, like enclosures, barriers. Through protection. Via warnings. Next, safety tests and type testing. You must demonstrate that your DBO complies with the standard by performing dielectric strength test, temperature rise test, short circuit withstand, protection against electric shock, mechanical impact, IP rating if applicable. All test reports must come from NABL accredited or BIS approved labs. Clearances, creepage and protection against electric shock. Clause 8.3 of the standard makes it mandatory to maintain minimum clearance and creepage distances to avoid flashover and surface tracking. These values vary depending on the voltage level and pollution degree, which must be identified based on the intended installation environment. For example, indoor boards in clean areas require pollution degree 2. The file must include a table showing actual clearances in your design versus the required minimums. Also, Class 1 protection, basic insulation plus earthing, is mandatory, and must be validated via dielectric and insulation resistance tests. Internal separation and accessibility requirements. The guideline clearly emphasizes the need for internal separation of functional units, like incoming, outgoing circuits, within the DBO. The objective is to limit the spread of faults and ensure that live parts are not accessible when operating the board in normal conditions. Need help preparing your technical file or grouping your models? Contact us now.